welcome to page Multimedia Rise. My name is Lida and today we will continue our lesson 4 about sin. And we have 6 words today. Okay, the first word is mother. Mother, spell M-O-T-H-E-R, mother. For example, my mother cooks for me. My mother cooks for me. Okay, second is father. Father, spell F-A-T-H-E-R, father. For example, his father is a teacher. His father is a teacher. Third, sister. Sister, spell S-I-S-T-E-R, sister. For example, my sister goes to the market. My sister goes to the market. Fourth, daughter. Daughter, spell D-A-U-G-H-T-E-R, daughter. For example, I am a daughter of God. I am a daughter of God. Fifth, younger. Younger, spell Y-O-U-N-G-E-R, younger. For example, she looked younger than her age. She looked younger than her age. Okay, for the last one is older. Older, spell O-L-D-E-R, older. For example, I hope I can have an older brother. I hope I can have an older brother. Okay, thank you so much for spending time with me, and please don't forget to make a sentence or sentences by using the word that we just learned, and comment it down below. We will have check together, and if you do it right, we will give you thumbs up, and if not, we will have check. And if you want to watch a full video with Miss Jenny Taylor, please click the link down, and we will see you in the next video. Bye bye, God bless you.